Hello people, MZ here, welcome to my workshop. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a miniature spray and pray from Fallout 4. The first thing I did was measure the size and print a copy of the gun. Then I traced everything onto baking paper. And then onto regular paper. I cut the pieces and then traced them onto cardboard. Once the pieces were cut and ready, I started gluing them together with PVA glue. While I was waiting for the glue to dry, I took a plastic straw and cut it to the size I needed. I repeated the step with a bigger straw. Wrapped some tape around the smaller straw so that it could fit into the other. And then glued all the pieces together. To make the handle, I cut a straw in half and a toothpick of the same length and then applied them onto the gun with glue. Lastly, I cut a tiny piece of a straw for the trigger. After 2 coats of white base, I started painting the gun with acrylics. Then I shaded the whole thing with pastels. To give the gun a used effect, I dry painted it with black acrylic paint and then wiped the excess with a tissue. For a rusty effect, I cut a makeup sponge in half and lightly tapped orange paint onto the gun. Sealed everything with 2 layers of Liquitex matte varnish. And that's it, this is the final result. I really hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like for more content. Thanks for watching!